Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods to an Android phone. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open the settings on our phone and then go to the step which is named Connections. As a next step here, find the Bluetooth, click on the name of it, and then make sure that it is enabled. As a next step, take the case of your earbuds and make sure that they are inside and open it. Now we will need to wait until our earbuds will appear on the list of available devices. So let's wait a little bit. If you can see them, you can try to click on the button scan. Or you can try disable and then enable the Bluetooth again. And yes, here they are. Here is it how they are named. By clicking on them, we will connect to them. I'll click pair. And this is it. Now they have successfully connected and you can enjoy your favorite music with your new earbuds. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.